What are you doing, Joel?
I'm at Ikea buying coffee and pastries.
How much are those pastries?
$4.
For 6. Wow.
6.
That's crazy.
There's
Got
6 of them
a
in
great
here.
deal. Joel, this is all I've ever wanted. Everything I've ever wanted.
What is it?
An artist's figure. Or a gestalta.
For only
$9.99.
$5.99.
Load my truck. Load my truck. Load it right now. Load my truck. Joel, what are you doing in the back?
Nothing.
Are you just sitting in a hole right there?
Not doing anything.
You're just in a hole.
This is where I live.
Look
We
at this
just
hole.
went to the grocery. Well, actually, no. We went to Ikea. And this is what I bought.
Are you gonna do a review on this?
They bought furniture and things for the kitchen and things to look cool. I got something to stuff my stomach.